operate both shades at the same time, you press the all button, close, both shades will drop, and they will both hit the bottom sill at the same time. Same thing, simply pressing up will bring both shades up. If you do decide that you want to operate one shade and not the other, channel 1 is the far right shade, channel 2 is the far left shade. Pressing channel 1 down will bring this right shade down. If you want to only operate channel 2, or the shade 2, you have to click off channel 1, go to channel 2, press down, and that shade will fall with it as well. However, if you don't want to bother with any of that stuff, again, just press your all button up, and they both will just simultaneously move together.